The next day, and to be honest, it's getting pretty exciting. So now what I'm gonna do here is, let me show you. So I have this line scribed out where I want to cut it because it's too far up high in the amp rack, up on top of the where the seats come out down. So now what I want to do is up here, I want to add a little beauty panel up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come out with some sketches and something nice up here. But first, I'm getting a feel where I like this at. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Now I'm thinking of what to do in here. I think I'm gonna do a cutout, something like that, something cool. I don't know, I have logos in here. Hey guys, so I just got this new router right here. It's a Porter cable. Porter cable with 2¼ horsepower, and got it set up on the thing. So you can see, you got it set up in there and put it in. And so this is what I came up with. It's that. So I got some 3/4 inch wood. I'm gonna cut one out that's like this. So as you can see, I got it marked out where I want it. So this is gonna fit in here. It's barely enough, but it's gonna fit. It's gonna fit in there. And then I could engrave my logo in here. This is acrylic. So right now I'm gonna cut this out, all of it out. I'm gonna use a flush trim bit on my new router, and I'm gonna give y'all a review of how I like that Porter cable, see if I like it. So let me time lapse that. See you in a bit. So now we're making another piece, same thickness, that this will be able to fit in here, and you'll see why. So this came out to be pretty good. You can see all the edges. It has gaps for the vinyl that you're gonna use or whatever. It has gap for it. So now what's next is start giving these shape, make them look nice. That's how it's looking so far. This piece is gonna be attached here. This is gonna be attached through there. So this is gonna be removable, and this is gonna be put in there. So first thing I want to do is, we come here, I'm gonna swap this one out, and I am gonna put a little roundover. So this roundover bit right here, this roundover bit, I'm gonna hit all these edges, all of these edges right here. I'm gonna hit them with this roundover. So this roundover hit these edges. So I'm gonna show y'all how I set it up. So here we go. So the way I set it up, come in here, I take this out, I just chase. Now I have the tool. Keep on using it. I bring in my router. You take this off, right? It's out. So this up. So now you put it in. That's good enough. So you put it in. You do this. Boom, right there.
sensor on it, now lock it and press it. So I'm gonna demonstrate the press real quick. And it's really nice. It's really nice thing, so make sure you orient them right. So get those over there. So I'll orient them. That's how we orient them. Okay, so now it goes like that, right? So now you get them down and you press it. So there you go. That's how it's looking so far right now. Now, what I want to do is a lot more complicated. So, push this off. Now, I want to add.
So as you can see, those router tricks really give it an edge and gave it a lot of shape. That's really important in this kind of stuff. It really gives it a nicer look than just plain. Like I guess you can see, it looks really nice. So that right there is glued on there. Sorry for the noise, but that's glued on. This one's gonna come out just like that. So that's on there. That looks pretty good. And whatever we're putting right now over there, that's gonna go in here. And just go like that. Just like that. Hey guys, I'm back. So we are working on fixing up all the wiring. We got the soldering machine out here, as you can see, soldering machine and everything, just getting it ready for soldering and soldering all the wires that need to be soldered. So let's get working, and yeah, this should be fun. I like soldering. It's one of my favorite things to do on this kind of stuff. So let's go at it. So I got everything ready for solder. This is the only things I need to solder, these two, and I'll get some soldering clips. It's gonna be dope. So let's get these soldering clips done. Hey guys, so now I'm thinking of something. So I got two DB drives mids, and I'm thinking about putting them towards the center console because I already put the center console in. I was thinking about right here, putting them right there. But here goes one problem. One problem is the first problem is it's not the same as those DS18s, but I'm gonna be swapping those out for some better DS18s, some the cone tip ones. I mean, but sound is sound. That's the only problem, and the other problem is just fiberglassing. It's not much, so I think I'm gonna do that. Hopefully, we get some good sound out of them and connect it to the amp. Hopefully, I'm not running too many things off of the amp. But let's go to it. So I'm thinking about something like right there, that right there, in this little center console part down there. See if it fits. So I'll get everything ready. So I already have a template of the speaker. This is the template that I have for the speaker. Now I'm gonna be cutting out two of these. For one, they're gonna go about here, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna cut out two of these out of this half inch wood. Shouldn't be too hard. So let's get to it, baby. Let's go. The panel that I want to use for the fiberglass. Now this is the templates, and I cut out this right here so I can put in the fleece right here, and then it's a nice transition to here, so it's not bumpy or anything, and I could just sand everything down flush to this. Now I made these little stands for this to stand on there, and they're just on there with some hot glue. Now I'm gonna have this, I'm gonna glue this on there, and that should be sturdy. That's how it's gonna look, and the speaker should fit up there flush with the back. I cut that hole out just for magnet purposes. It's not really too big. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit once everything's glued on, and I'm gonna put it in, and then I'm just gonna test fit it just to see, and I'll see y'all when I test fit it. And stretching it out just like in the other panel video I showed. It's basically the same thing. And staple around, and I'm gonna staple in here this little groove that I made, this little groove. So I'm gonna be stapling in there, and then I'm gonna cut the fleece right there. So see y'all once it's all done, and I cut everything up, and so y'all can see how I'm gonna fiberglass it. So there goes one, and I'm gonna cut all this excess out. I'm gonna cut all of that out. So there goes one. It's really nice, coming out really good. The other one is up there, getting ready to get fleece on top of it, but so that's coming out. It's coming out pretty good, nice and tight. So as you can see, I already cut them out. The passenger seat is a little bit different because of the passenger seat design. Is a little bit different, as you can tell. It's a little bit different, but now I'm gonna do the first coat of fiberglass. I'm not gonna show it because I've already showed in my other fiberglass tutorial. So I'm just gonna be showing here and then.